All right, everyone. Welcome for joining in today. My name is Otis Broby, a learning strategist here at Planet Technologies. Today, we are going to show a quick demonstration of how we can manage our bookings page. Okay, so Microsoft Bookings is a tool within M365 that gives you the opportunity to essentially create a bookings page. Now, this page will allow you to not necessarily allow you to promote your business, but it can also be a way for people to even book meetings and appointments with you. So it can be used a plethora of ways. Okay, so today I created a bookings page that allows people to book with me and my staff to learn different tools within the Power Platform. Excuse me. So the Power Platform, of course, is a environment in M365 that allows you and your organization to find different business solutions by really putting the power into your hands. Okay, so with this bookings page, as you can see, I am the admin, meaning I delegate what people can do, what time we're open, what hours people can book between. I can even customize the business information. So basic details, where are we located? What's the name, the logo, the hours, etc. Okay. And of course, I have a staff that works with me. Okay. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and add a staff member. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and add, let's say, Mike. Okay. Mike's a good friend of mine. All right. So let's go ahead and add Mike. I'm going to go ahead and designate him with a color. Okay. I could add a phone number if I would like to, but for this particular case, we're just going to keep it fairly straightforward. Okay. So we want to notify the member when a booking is assigned to them, of course, so they know exactly what is going on. They can prepare, they can do all sorts of things. But Mike has a really tentative schedule. Okay. So our days of operation are Monday through Thursday. Okay. But I know Mike may not be available all of those days. Maybe he needs Tuesdays off because he's, I don't know, babysitting, he's traveling, etc. So I can delete that for him and I can save those changes. Okay. So Mike has now been added as a team member, and at any point in time, I can come back and customize his information. Okay. Now, as far as our services, we have two. We have IT support, which is about 30 minutes, and we have Power Automate. Okay. Both will be an online meeting integrated with Teams. So it will be a Teams meeting and it will populate on my calendar. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and add another one and I'm going to say Power BI report. Oh, I can't spell, excuse me. Report building. Okay. Learn how to create visuals. Okay. We want this, of course, to be an online meeting, but with this, it requires a little bit more intricate work. So we're going to make this an hour and 30. Now, once again, depending on your bookings page, you can allow people to pay a fee. Okay. But we're just going to leave that at this. But we do want people to call us. Okay. We're going to make this a max number of 5 people. So meaning if we were to have a 6th individual, they won't be able to join this particular class because it's only for 5. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and save changes. And now we have our extra service. So when we go to our bookings page, if I want to share this with anyone, this is the link to share. Now we can post this inside of LinkedIn. We can post it on Twitter. We can post it on Instagram. We can post it in our email, whichever is going to bring in the most attendance. Okay. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this really quickly just to give you all a visual on what this is going to look like. And voila. Our Power Platform learning page. This is what our end users are going to see. So people entering into the page itself, they will see call for price, learn how to create visuals. That is the service that we just went ahead and created. Power Automate, as we already had before, and IT support. Okay, so grab some time with us for an appointment. At the bottom is where I can go ahead and choose a date. After I select the service, we'll be able to see the particular time that we have available. Now, if I go through the process, okay, today is Thursday, or Today's Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Excuse me. All right. I can go ahead and see all of the individuals that are available, and we just added Mike. Okay, so his particular schedule is going to reflect on the calendar when we select his name. We deleted Tuesdays, so as you can see, Tuesdays are not even an option. Okay, so I can go ahead and select that Wednesday, maybe at 1 o'clock. It's an hour and a half, and there we go. Okay, we can go ahead and fill out our details, our name, our email, our address, our phone number, any special requests. Okay, can we utilize a Surface Pro? Can we utilize a MacBook? Anything of that sort. Okay, and when we're done, we simply just click book. Michael will receive an email notification. This is exactly how it's going to look like, and there we go. Now, if I jump to my own Outlook, since I went ahead and booked with Mr. Adamczyk, all right, go ahead and open that up. I will now receive a notification confirming my appointment with Mr. Adamczyk in my Outlook. And however we have our Outlook notification set up, we can get it through phone, through text, etc. We have our name, we have our staff member, and we have the date that has been confirmed. And I can go ahead and join through Outlook. And that is how we can manage our bookings page by adding a staff member, adding a service, and even booking from an end user perspective.